The raw riveting experience. That doesn't actually look too bad. Oh wow, yeah, that's gone somewhere. So this whole kind of frame twists up and down, like it's not actually moving with the brackets, just twisting, but I guess once it like kind of hits there, it'll be fine. Right, this is the best angle I can get, but I am driver. Oh, I have f***ed it.
Oh, my freaking ears!
Too hard into Driftland's walls. My frame is twisting, the door doesn't open. I can't get my seatbelt to stop because it's stuck in the stupid thing. I can't get out. Oh no, my legs are on fire. Yes, wow. I need to grab the fire extinguisher. Can I grab the fire extinguisher without twisting my body too much? I sure can. Legs are not on fire anymore. Scoosh, scoosh, scoosh. It's all good, boys. Alright, this is going to be the setup for the rear. So, I've got a 12mm bolt. So, I'm going to Loctite this bolt in place, containing it just before it like starts to actually clamp down on it. I want the toe strap to actually be able to wiggle. Alright, cool. Successfully got blue Loctite everywhere, and that has a wiggle to it, so I can spin, spin, spinner. There we go. As you can see, it moves nice and freely. I think it was 56mm in length of spacer in. I'm going to be putting one of them in between each of the bosses, and this guy right here I've had to cut down because like it sits like that in the back of there, well, at the back side of the boss anyways. So alright, so that's the rear's in. Looks a bit squint, but I think that's just, yeah, when you get the whole actual car in, it doesn't look a squint, it's just where the bumper is. But as you can see, we can get that around if we needed to, and yeah, it's, I mean, pretty good that. Yeah, there's not really many ways I could show you that that's working, but yeah. Back onto the front now. I almost just made a massive mistake there. Me thinking that I could get away with 2 nuts on the front, but this boss must be bigger, so I've had to take the nut off before the Loctite dried. But so we're going down to 1 nut, and same idea, washer at the back, and then back. So washer, boss of the car, then that, then the nut. Alright, so that's this one in on the front, and as you can see, we can go all the way up, but we're a little bit limited on the motion to the left. I mean, it does go up, but the bumper will deform. Once again, the pull test. Trying my best not to show my number plate. No, I'm happy with that. It's so much, it's not too difficult to get on. Could do it during a drift day or the day before. Day before with this front, obviously we're taking the bottom panel off, but I mean, even that's not too much of a pain. It's just a couple of bolts, but yeah, pretty happy with that. Alright, so that's going to be the first episode on the BMWs. So yeah, we've installed a fire extinguisher, and we have got the tow strap set up, which means that we can go on fire and we can crash it into a wall and everything like that. Yeah, so there's a couple more episodes kind of planned up. There might have been a little spoiler in there. What does everybody do in a drift build? Well, quite simple things, isn't it? That's it for this one, and catch you on the next video. Bye. Coming up in the next episode, one of them came with a blown damper. Alright, which might be harder than you think.